I've been giving you so much free AI sauce, but why would you even listen to me in the first place? In this video, I want to break down exactly what my business is and exactly what our services are. So if you're interested, keep listening and we're going to walk through my entire website. Boom. So you might be asking yourself, who is this guy that keeps showing us these AI solutions? Well, my name is Mateo, and I have been the owner of VeloxSys. VeloxSys is an AI automation agency that I've been running for just over 3 years, and we are basically an AI consultancy. So we help small to medium-sized businesses with all their different silos within their business, from prospecting all the way through fulfillment. And I just wanted to walk through my website to present a little bit more about our services so that you can have a clearer picture of what it is I do and who it is that is showing you these solutions. So without further ado, let's go into my website. So here we are, VeloxSys.io. And as you can see, you can get a free consultation call. It's a 30-minute call where we can walk through your business. There's a form that you have to fill out before you can schedule the call. And on that call, we can see what your largest bottlenecks are, where we can focus our efforts, and what kind of build outs we can do for you. So if that's something that interests you, we have buttons all over the website for you to book that call. Now let's get into the services. So our 5 main services that we offer is lead generation. We help you find a scalable and affordable outbound marketing system designed to grow your company on autopilot. The next thing is more closely related to my past background in corporate. So I was a management consultant. So I have multiple certifications. I was a Scrum Master. I led developers in building different projects. I was also being trained to get a PMP, the Project Management Professional from PMI. I do have a Salesforce certification in email marketing cloud, but basically I will help you identify key project management inefficiencies within your business, and we can try to address those directly. The next thing that is massive, if you're not collecting your data, you're not measuring your data, then you're really driving without a GPS. So we're going to look at your CRMs. If you have one, that's great. The amount of small businesses that don't have CRMs is actually quite large. So if you find yourself in that bucket and you don't have a CRM, then building one out for you is going to be a very high ROI immediately. So the next thing is SOPs and consultations. We will look at the processes you have in your business and we'll try to automate as many as possible. And there's actually a really cool tool that I like to use called Scribe that will actually track and screenshot all the times you click while you go through a process. For instance, you can have a onboarding process, right? You want to build an SOP for that for future employees that you have. And so when we record you using Scribe, you will see that, oh, this is a 9-minute process with 55 clicks, and it has screenshots of all those processes with the links included. So that's Scribe. That's a free sauce for you right there. Okay. And then we also build chatbots. Chatbots have been a fantastic add-on for your website. It makes you look really professional. Not only that, it saves a lot of time for your people on the phone calls to answer frequently asked questions, but also it helps nurture the prospect. The chatbot is going to scrape all the knowledge it has from your knowledge base from your website. Sometimes these prospects are on your website for multiple hours and they feel like they understand your product better. They've been chatting with the chatbot for a while. And then when they finally do hop on a sales call with you, you're both in a better place to close. So, and we have a 3-step process to start working with us. First, you start onboarding with us. The onboarding call just takes 30 minutes, and it's the only mandatory call we have within our service. And then we will go into step 2. Step 2, we will use ClickUp. ClickUp, if you guys are familiar with Asana, it's pretty similar. It's a task management service. So basically, you will have an account with us through ClickUp, and there you can put in all your tasks that you want with us. Typically, we do about like 5 tasks per client. And then we will view the progress. We have updates. And here's the key thing that makes us stand out is that we allow you unlimited tasks. So you can work with us until you're satisfied. And then we have different contracts, as you'll see later on. Then the third step is we have weekly consultations. These are optional. These are 45 minutes. And we will set up a cadence weekly to see progress. If you have any questions, and obviously if you want more calls during the interim, then we can schedule those as well. But we have weekly consultations too. Just make sure you're happy. So how do we compare? You can have an in-house person look at your operations, basically like a COO, and that will cost you a salary. That'll cost you weeks and months of build outs, and you can hope that they're good. And then they're a person, right? So you're going to have to pay severance and they're a headache. Or you can hire us. So we will give you results twice as fast. You can pause at any time. This service, once you're happy with it, you can just put us on pause and go somewhere else, go on your way. We want you to just have your business run on autopilot, and it'll only cost you $2,600 a month. The setup takes 1 to 4 days, and you get COO level service. Not only that, it's one click and you're done. So your investment can look like this. You can have the standard monthly package of $2,600, as I said. With that, you get the unlimited requests, unlimited users, and you can pause or cancel anytime. Or if you want to save $3,000, you can purchase our quarterly package. So this is $1,600 a month, and you get everything you get from the standard package, but you're with us for 3 months. And then we also give you ad hoc custom solutions, and you just got to get on a call with our sales team, and we'll look at the scope of your project, and we'll see how we can price that appropriately. As I mentioned, all people who are interested can get a 30-minute free call with us, a consultation call. We'll look at your business. And then a little bit about me. I founded VeloxSys with one goal, and it's to give business owners back their time that they need to focus on growing their business. Some frequently asked questions: why would you go ahead and work with us instead of hiring a COO? Well, the COO takes months to find, onboard, and train, not to mention that they cost an average of $120,000 a year. You're also on the hook for benefits and severance, and there's no guarantee that they'll deliver. Subscription models like ours are simply quantitatively and qualitatively better for the vast majority of companies under $3 million a year. You pay less and you get faster results, and you can pause or cancel your arrangement at any time. And how much more cost effective is working with VeloxSys really? Well, when you take into account payroll, benefits, severance, and the opportunity cost of hiring, our service is 30% of hiring in-house and 70% of the price of hiring an agency. You also get a 100% satisfaction guarantee and the ability to pause and cancel anytime. I'm going to get into the 100% satisfaction guarantee in a second. How does payment work? When you click one of the payment options above, you'll be taken to a Stripe checkout page. And after you pay, it will automatically create a subscription for you that renews on the same day every single month. And again, you can pause or cancel this any single time. What do I mean by 100% satisfied? If you're not completely satisfied with the systems you receive, we'll continue revisiting your deliverable until you are satisfied. That's how serious we are about your satisfaction. And how do you submit a request? After your 30-minute onboarding call, you'll receive access to your own ClickUp board and your account. That is where you will be able to view and manage the ongoing projects. And you can create a request by simply clicking the plus button on your board and add the task that you want directly through there. What's our refund policy? If you're not 100% satisfied with our service, then we'll keep working for free until you are. And what I mean by unlimited tasks and unlimited requests, you can submit an unlimited number of requests. Most clients tend to have 5 to 10 active requests in the queue at any one time, and their board acts as a to-do list. So our team works on each one at a time, prioritized by you, and our average turnaround time on a system deliverable is between 1 to 4 days. And we can often deliver 10 plus systems within 1 month. So whereas in-house is going to take you a lot longer and they're going to give you less work. So how do we communicate? The vast majority of our communications are through Slack and ClickUp. And we offer an optional weekly operations consultation call, like we said, to discuss the bottlenecks, to prioritize the tasks, and to track our progress. So that is what our service looks like in a nutshell. If you do want to have a consultation call, all you have to do is click one of these buttons, go over here to our Calendly, and just fill out the form. Find a date that works for you, fill this out, and answer these questions directly here. And then you'll get on a call with our sales team. We look forward to working with you and scaling your business and making sure that you have more time to do what you find meaningful. All right, so that's VeloxSys in a nutshell. I hope you found value through this. And if you want to scale your business using AI and smarter systems, then be sure to book a call with us today. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.